Good morning to you all. I seem to keep popping up here all the time. I think I can't get away from legal aid. Today I actually have the privilege of officially opening the Legal Aid Commission's Family Law Workshop. And although I'm no longer a Legal Aid board member, I still very much have legal aid at heart. As I look around the room, I'm actually quite pleased to see many familiar faces as well as some new ones. I welcome you to the legal aid team, especially to the new ones, and I also welcome the outside participants who are actually here today. I must commend the Legal Aid Board and its hard-working chairman, who is also the Solicitor General. Without his vision and dedication, legal aid would not be where it is today. From expansion of services through the opening of offices around the country to recruiting more lawyers, he has been very instrumental in spearheading the rapid development that is currently taking place at Legal Aid. He is no doubt a great leader, and without his vision, Legal Aid wouldn't be where it is today. I actually feel truly privileged to have worked with the Solicitor General and Chairman of the Legal Aid Commission during my tenure at the Legal Aid, for Legal Aid. Because of my passion for legal aid, I regularly keep in contact with most members of the staff and with the Chairman. And my service to legal aid and the service to the Fijian citizen is one of the catalysts in deciding why I took up politics. I take great pleasure in serving my people. I personally want to see this organization to continue to prosper, and I will do whatever I can within my powers to see that legal aid continues to get substantial funding from the government. You should also remember, ladies and gentlemen, that legal aid now provides premium service. As such, the expectation in terms of service delivery from you as lawyers is of a very high standard. You must also keep in mind that the clients that come to legal aid are those who are somewhat uneducated or have no understanding of the legal system at all. You therefore have to show compassion at times. Take time to explain things to them so that they fully understand how legal aid can assist them. Most importantly, clients need to be served in a timely and efficient manner at all times. The government has actually allocated a substantial amount of funding to legal aid. For this, I thank the Honourable Prime Minister and the Attorney General for their vision and their unquestionable and genuine belief in service to the Fijian people. The board has also invested a substantial sum of money towards the staff development, such as this particular training. The least that you can do as employees of legal aid is return the favour by providing that premium service that is required for professional and efficient service to your country and to your fellow Fijians. Remember, we want Legal Aid Commission to be an organization which is professional, efficient, and provides quality legal services to the nation. It is you who can make this possible. Our staff are our greatest resource, and the fact that the board has allowed you all to be here and undertake this training should be an indication of how they value you all. These trainings are an investment into staff. For any investment, there has to be a return, and the board only expects you to do what you are required to do. I take this opportunity, ladies and gentlemen, to thank Justice Wati and Resident Magistrate Ms. Lau for taking time out to providing this much needed training for the lawyers. I'm confident that the knowledge which you will pass on to the participants over the next few days will no doubt be extremely beneficial. Without taking much of your time, ladies and gentlemen, I now declare this workshop officially open. Thank you, and good night.